So we're gonna start by blooming our gelatin. Zest up that lemon. Be careful with your fingers, phalanges, don't want to lose anything. We're gonna slice up them lemons. With a little elbow grease, we're gonna juice them up. Now you want to strain that to get all the seeds and any pulp. So I'm going to start with the heavy cream, then the sugar, and get that combined, and we're going to put that onto a low heat. Add in the zested lemon. Hits a simmer, we're going to take it off the heat. Do not boil. We're going to take it off the heat. Add in that bloom gelatin. Now pour in that lemon juice. I'm going to strain this just to get rid of that zested lemon after I let this sit for about 10 minutes to steep. As always, going to wrap it up. We're going to start blooming our gelatin again, as always. We're going to start with our washed blueberries. Add in the sugar. And get that all stirred up. Add in our lemon juice. Some water. And the rest of that zest. Once those berries break down, we're going to take it off the heat. I'm going to start blending it. I'm going to heat up this gelatin and get that mixture ready. And so now we're going to wrap it up and pop it into the fridge. So since this is a thicker mold, it took me a little bit to get it out, but after some hustle, I got it. Ta-da! And this was super easy to garnish. I just got some mint and did a little something something. This is purely aesthetic. Don't store like this. I have to clean it up a little bit because it was a pain to get out.